Food safety for people with weakened immune systems. The temperature danger zone. In this video, you will learn what the temperature danger zone is, how to protect food from the temperature danger zone. What is the temperature danger zone? The temperature danger zone is the temperature range where germs grow the quickest in food. The temperature danger zone is the range between 4 degrees Celsius or 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. How to protect food from the temperature danger zone. To protect food from the temperature danger zone, keep hot food hot by keeping it at 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit and above. This food should be served right away. Keep cold food cold by storing it in the fridge or freezer. Make sure to leave some space between foods to allow cool air to flow around it. Check to make sure your fridge and freezer are at the right temperature. Your fridge temperature should be at 4 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Fahrenheit, or below. If a fridge is warmer than 4 degrees Celsius or 40 degrees Fahrenheit, this means food is in the temperature danger zone. A fridge thermometer can be placed just inside the fridge door to help you check the temperature. Your freezer temperature should be at minus 18 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Fahrenheit, or below. You have come to the end of this video. In this video, you have learned what the temperature danger zone is, how to protect food from the temperature danger zone. Watch this video as many times as you like. For more information, refer to the pamphlet, Food Safety for People with Weakened Immune Systems. Ask a member of your healthcare team for this pamphlet or visit the Patient and Family Library at Princess Margaret Hospital. You can also find this pamphlet online through Princess Margaret Cancer Answers.